If you want to glow up, this video is for you. But if you think a glow up is only about looking good, sorry, this might not be the video you are looking for. Because a real glow up goes way beyond just looking good. I'm not just saying that, I have been there. I know what it feels like to be stuck, to not feel like your best self. Maybe you have felt this too. In this video, I am sharing 5 powerful tips that help me not just to look better, but to feel better too. That's what really important is. Trust me, these tips can help you build the most confident, glowing version of yourself both inside and out. So stick around till the end because by the time you finish this video, you will have a complete guide to becoming the best version of yourself. Let's get started. Tip number 1 is upgrade your mindset, not just your makeup. Imagine you walk into a party looking amazing, but deep down your thoughts are going like, is my nose looking too big? Do I look too short? Is my skin too dark? Now tell me, can you really feel your best even if you look your best? Of course not, because how you talk to yourself directly shapes how you feel and act. That's why the first step in your glow up journey is not skincare, it's not your outfit, it's not even your hair, it's your inner voice. That voice you hear every single day when you wake up, when you look in the mirror, when you mess up, or even when someone compliments you. And if that voice keeps you saying you are not good enough, you are not pretty enough, or you don't deserve it, then no amount of glue on the outside will ever feel like true confidence. So start with your self-talk. When you see your reflection in the morning, appreciate your uniqueness. When you receive compliments, accept them fully. When you make mistakes, be kind to yourself. And most importantly, love yourself exactly as you are. Because you become who you repeatedly tell yourself you are. So choose words that lift you up, not break you down. Tip number 2 is act like the version of you that's already glowing. Now take a moment to imagine the version of you who is confident, beautiful, calm, and glowing. Close your eyes and really visualize her. How does she act? How does she treat herself? How does she dress? How does she move through the world? Maybe she wakes up 10 minutes earlier to meditate, she prioritizes her health, eat well, move her body, and stay focused on her goals. She stands tall, she makes eye contact, or she speaks with unshakable confidence. Now, here is the truth. You don't have to wait until you become her. You just have to start acting like her, little by little. And when you do that, something powerful begins to shape. You start building new habits, you shift the way you think, you carry yourself differently, you move like someone who knows her worth. Not because you have completely changed overnight, but because you have finally started seeing yourself as your ideal self. And that's when the real glow up begins. Because the glow up doesn't start with a makeover, it starts the moment you decide to show up as a version of you who already has it all. But even the most confident version of you can't shine if you're weighed down by stress. That's why the next part is so important. Tip number 3 is stress management. You might be thinking stress management doesn't hold much value in glow up. But trust me, it's one of the most underrated glow up factors. Taking care of your mental health is just like taking care of your glow up. Just think about it. When you are stressed, it affects your sleep, your eyes, and your skin. And you just don't feel like your best self. When you stress constantly, it drains you. You lose the motivation to dress up or even be social. And that creates a cycle that keeps you feeling low no matter how good you look on the outside. So take a time to heal, slow down, breathe, journal, cry if you need to, meditate or go for a walk. Managing your stress is a real glow up because the lighter you feel inside, the brighter you shine on the outside. Tip number 4 is know your worth and protect your energy. Your glow up gets real when you stop performing for others and start showing up as your full, authentic self. The truth is, not everyone is going to like you, and that's okay because the right people will love you for who you truly are. They will cheer for you, uplift you, and want to see you win. So choose to be around those people who support you, guide you, and make you feel seen. Because when your environment feels good, you glow without even forcing it. So glow in your own space and let the right people meet you there. Tip number 5 is stay consistent with your habits. A true glow up doesn't just happen one day. It's something you practice and become. And that's what creates a real lasting transformation. Anyone can start something, but the ones who stay consistent, they are the ones who see results. So build the habits that support the person of you want to become. Do it even when you don't feel like it. Because discipline is not punishment, it's a form of self-love. And when you stay consistent with your habits, you start proving to yourself you're capable of anything. These are the habits and mindset shifts that change everything for me. So if you made it this far, thank you. It means you're serious about becoming your best self, not just on the outside but within. As I promised, you now have the complete best tips to glow up and become the best version of you. And that's left is to show up and take small steps every single day. If this video helped you, don't stop here. Watch my next video where I share even more powerful tips to level up your mindset and confidence.